going to tell you how to clean your cell phone from all the fingerprints and smudging, oil, makeup, anything that can get on your cell phone. As you can see, this phone is very dirty, has lots of fingerprints on it. What you want to do is you want to apply Wax Antifog Cleaner. You're going to gently touch the Zip Wax and apply it onto the phone. So you can see that's what it looks like when it's applied. Now I'm just going to polish it off with a microfiber towel or any soft cloth. And you're going to see how clear this phone is, almost like it's a mirror. It's so clear, no smudging. It looks beautiful, just like it's a mirror. That's how clean it is now.